Welcome to Easy to Learn channel. Thank you for choosing us to improve your language skills. Get ready to learn in a fun and easy way. Let's get started. Lesson 1. Greetings and introductions. Hello. How are you? Hello. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thank you. And you?
My name is Emily. What's your name? My name is Emily. What's your name?
My name is Daniel. Nice to meet you. My name is Daniel. Nice to meet you.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from London. I'm from London.
Question? Now that you've learned how to introduce yourself in English, tell us in the comments. Where are you from and what's your name? Practice introducing yourself.